Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, March the 15th. We're also going to be doing our preview for this week. Let's quickly jump to our news items for this week. As you can see, there's nothing on the docket for this morning, but we do get into some heavy reporting towards the beginning of the week on Tuesday. We have retail information, crude oil inventories. This is becoming a really important one recently because of the spike in oil prices. Of course, we have the FOMC statement and the federal fund rates at 2 p.m. We're not expecting any changes there. And of course, 2:30 press conference. And we close Thursday with the Philly Fed manufacturing. So we have a little bit of everything here. We have retail sales, we have manufacturing, we have crudes, and we also have the FOMC statements in reference to interest rates. And again, remember that the T-bill, the Treasury bonds yield has gone up, affecting stocks a little bit, but that's kind of flattened out. So keep your eyes open for that. Now, there's no inflation information here. I think we're having that next week. So that's another thing that can complement this. So be very careful when these reports are being released. Make sure that either you close positions or you avoid positions during this time to avoid situations. Let's quickly jump to our analysis, and we can quickly see here, friends, how the market has just completely reversed once again. It has reached the 80 SMA. Remember, we have spoken about this very critical area. You can go back in history and see every interaction we've had with the 80 SMA. Since actually September, we touch, we run above, we continue. We here in October, we went a little bit below, we came roaring back. We almost reached it here in February, roared back, and of course here we are in the middle and the beginning of March. Market roars back again. Just very strong market, just off the all-time highs once again. The volume seems a little lower. Obviously, as we go up, the volume gets lower. And remember that we have some of our volume is still on the old contract of March, so you have to keep your eyes open for that as well. Let's jump to our deeper look, to our numbers. Go to this time frame here. As you can see, these are all the time frames that we have developed throughout the analysis we've been doing from day to day, from week to week, and the market has truly recovered once again. Came out of this lower channel into this mid channel, and now obviously it's in the upper channel. So think about this as the lower, middle, upper, and now it's testing once again, and it broke clearly through above it. The only thing above it right now is the all-time high. Now we do have some support here, heavy support in this area here, so be surprised if the market can return to this area before attempting another continuation. So it may be able to do that depending on the volume today. Now let's go a little deeper in our analysis as we go into our what we call our analysis chart, the one that's closer to our trading. And as you can see here, the blue line here represents the intraday high or intraday low. Notice how the market has peaked through that intraday high twice. Here you have your double top, and a trend line here that seems to be holding support. So to me, this is our north-south line. I'm looking for longs anywhere along here. First, expectations for the market to hold in this area here and attempt the continuation a little higher. If it breaks through here, we're expecting the market to come retest here, potentially move lower. And of course, after that, you start looking at potentially continuations from here or continuations lower from here. So those are, we're looking short till this section here. Rebound off here, we're looking for longs. Anything below here, we're looking for quick reversals to the downside, and then potentially more continuation in either direction depending on which way it breaks. Take care, friends. Have a great session. Let me know if you have any questions.